November 12th, and this is my first Kishu to ripen for the season. It's definitely the right variety, which is good. It's seedless. It's very small, but very sweet. I only had this in the store, but this is my first one from my own tree. So it'll be nice to see what's the difference in quality. Not sweet enough. Oh, it's good, but it isn't sweet like California. I think because of the ripening time, I think maybe in the spring or summer that crop should be sweeter, but the crop now, I'd say, not sweet as the store one. But it's a very good mandarin in a sense, easy to peel, no seeds.